Good evening, all of you, and welcome to this webinar where we'll be introducing you to our academic initiative. I am sure you all are taking care of yourself and following all the rules. Now, here at MIT School of Distance Education, we have started with this academic initiative, and today we have hosted this session for giving you an overview of what all initiatives we are going to take under this. Before we move ahead, I would like to introduce myself. Myself, Rohitok, in the capacity of Chief Learning Officer, having more than 20 years of corporate experience in India and also abroad, would like to welcome you all on behalf of MIT School of Distance Education. Here, we all believe that knowledge only comes when you ask for it. And taking this ideology further, we have decided to have a dedicated team of academicians where we'll be helping you solve the academic related contents, the doubts, as well as the course related doubts, where these doubts can be conceptual, these doubts can be with respect to any ideas you get, any online sessions you take, or maybe any happenings in the current market. So this is where we'll be addressing all your doubts, and we are having a dedicated team to do that. Now here we would like to explain how we are going to go ahead about it, what is going to be this process, and how are we going to make this a big success. Now this academic team would be working in complete synchronization with your current relationship managers. Now, these relationships managers will be solving all your administrative doubts, but we'll be having this separate team of academics where they will be taking care of your academic doubts or queries. Now, we will be having this team introduce themselves. Before that, I'll run you through a small presentation. Can we have the next slide? So in today's webinar, our agenda is to first introduce you to this academic team. Then we'll be taking you forward, explaining you the LinkedIn Learning initiative we have. Then moving ahead, we'll be also telling you about mentor links, and we'll be introducing you to a very unique concept, which is called as a buddy program. So next slide, please. Now, I would like to put forth this idea that why was this required? Why this academic team need to exist here? So, uh, please, next slide. Next, click. Yeah. So this slide will tell you in brief why was there a need of such an academic team. So moving ahead, we wanted this academic team to address all your course related questions, because many a times it happens that your administrative doubts are cleared, but your actual academic doubts might not be cleared or might not be getting addressed. So we at MITSD has taken up this initiative where we'll be solving now your academic related doubts, your course related doubts. Now here our academic team would also help you solve practice questions you have, assignments you might get on LMS. You'll be also getting assistance for the case studies, for any graphics you have seen, any diagrams, any models you have in your curriculum. We'll be also helping you to solve the numericals if you're not able to do that. Now here we would be also providing you with various other career enhancement options with help of our placement team. Now here we would be also ensuring we deliver short weekend skill-based workshops, and we'll be also helping you in all your academic doubts you might have just before that exam. Next slide. Next slide. Yeah. So here I would like to represent a small academic team structure where we would be having two program leads. One program lead which will take care of non-technical courses, non-technical subjects, and one program lead to take care of technical programs like project management, operations management, materials management, etc. Now we are having a team of 4 student academic mentors who will be your first point of contact. So whenever you have any doubt, you would be directly reaching out to them, where they will be your first point of contact and they'll be helping you out with your query. If required, our program leads would step in and also can involve the subject matter experts who probably have developed the content which you have on the LMS. So we can definitely escalate this, and we can have all these things taken care of. Next. Yeah. So now we would be before we move ahead, let us have a small poll. Yeah. So you'll be getting 15 seconds to answer this one. So do you have an LinkedIn account? So you're just talking about a basic LinkedIn account, not the LinkedIn learning account. Yes. Amar sir, can we have the results of the poll?
Sure, sir.
So great. So as per the poll results, 85% of the audience right now are having their LinkedIn accounts in place, which is great. The reason behind asking this question was, through this initiative, through the LinkedIn Learning Association, we would be also helping you out to not only have this LinkedIn account in place, but also to make it very effective. And we are going to very soon have a session, a separate webinar on this. Yes. Now, I would like to take this session ahead, and I would request Professor Amar Bakle, who is our program lead technical, to take this session forward. Over to you, Amar sir.
Thank you very much, sir. A very warm welcome to all the students. I would like to introduce myself as the program lead technical as Amar Bakle. I have pursued my Bachelor's of Engineering in Production Engineering from Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, Pune, and I have done my PGDM in International Business from Birla Institute of Management Technology, Greater Noida. I have served for 8+ years in industry across various domains of supply chain and project management. In fact, I am myself a PMP certified professional. Well, striving for the betterment of students' learning journey experience would be my mission, and achievement of continuous improvement, which we basically call as Kaizen, would be my vision per se. I suppose as a job profile, when I was inducted over here, I took this as an opportunity in these challenging times of COVID to strengthen the requirement of quality education, wherein everything is required to be done with social distancing perspective in today's time. This platform of MIT SGE is a step towards the same. In fact, I would like to also share with you over here our management vision, wherein internally we would like to have ourselves run as an IT corporate setup rather than a traditional distance learning platform. I suppose my experiential learning along with real-time industry examples would help you to pursue your course to gain maximum input from this academic team, which has been explained very well by Rohit sir. And I would also, along with my team lead, colleague, Professor Bhageshri Pandey, we would be helping you in this journey. I suppose we would be more concentrated towards providing you industry academia insights via continuous engagement practices. Can we go to next slide, ma'am? Yeah. So that was the reason why we took a small poll on LinkedIn as having an account, wherein we saw that almost 85% of you are possessing a LinkedIn account. We as MIT SGE are first of its kind institute in India who are having a tie-up with LinkedIn Learning, wherein to our students, to the existing students who were part of MIT SGE enrollment process before August 2020, we are providing this access on a nominal fee basis, while to the current students who have joined us post August 2020, it is the part of their academic program. It is part of their curriculum package. Now, just to brief, as you can see on your screen, about LinkedIn Learning, you can get access to more than 16,000 plus courses. Now, these are the courses which are segregated basically in three domains of business, creative skills, and technology. In fact, these courses you can do at your own learning pace, wherein you, as and when time permits you out of your busy schedules, you can complete them. The most important benefit of these courses, they are linked with international bodies like National Association of State Boards of Accountancy, NASBA, Project Management Institute, PMI, Society for Human Resource Management, SHRM, and many more. In fact, this LinkedIn Learning platform will also help you to have continuing education units, or we call as PDUs, which are professional development units, which helps you to have certain certification programs completed at the international level. Rest, I would like to wish all of you a very happy learning and all the best. Now I request my colleague, Professor Bhagyashree Pandey, to introduce herself. Over to you, ma'am.
Good evening, all of you, all my dear students, to see you here on gathered here on a virtual platform. I will take this opportunity to quickly introduce myself. Just before a few minutes, Rohit sir had shared with you our academic team structure. So among that, I will be working as a program lead. Myself, Professor Bhagyashree Pandey, I will be working here as a program lead, non-technical, along with my teammates and your student academic mentors. I have completed my dual MBA in human resource management as well as in marketing management. Also, I am pursuing a PhD in human resource management under Pune University. I do possess 8 plus years of academic experience. You know all that the world is moving fast towards the new normal because of this pandemic situation, which includes drastic changes in the education system as well. To cope with these changes and to help you all become aware of and be in tune with the global industry trends across various sectors, the academic team is here to help you in all aspects of academic related queries. Our vision is to give you maximum input for understanding future trends in the global environment. Team MIT SDE is looking forward to the growth of all its students in all aspects like learning, delivering best practices, continuous learning and development. We are going to provide you all with the best possible services for your professional development with the use of latest technology and trends in the market. As my colleague Mr. Amar mentioned earlier, we would definitely provide you with such a platform with the help of various industry experts as well as doubt solving sessions. So, very soon we will be starting with your query solving and such other sessions for your overall development. You might be aware that MITSD has also introduced a mentor links program for all MITSD students. The purpose of this program is to expose students to current and future industry trends across various industries. Now, under this Mentor Links program, a global expert panel of senior executives from global organizations will help you to understand the industry trends and will try to solve your queries related with the same. Now, how exactly this Mentor Links program will work? It will work based on alert initiative. Specifically, I will explain this what alert initiative is. Ask short queries. A stands for ask. You are going to ask some queries related to your domain, and for your queries, our expert panel will give an answer. You are going to submit your queries to the moderator and you will get your answer back from the panel itself. We are going to arrange some webinars or sessions which will be delivered by industry experts to learn global industry trends. Students will also get a chance to engage with industry experts during the sessions. You will also get an opportunity to read some renowned experts, their views and their practices. You are going to have a chance to read their articles. Students can also avail training sessions delivered through industry experts. Now you must have a doubt about how exactly, though I have explained it in the best possible way, you might have a doubt that how exactly it is going to work. We understand your requirement, and for the same, tomorrow itself on 12th September at 5 p.m., we have arranged a webinar on Mentor Links program, and I'm sure that you all are going to attend it. So moving further, can we quickly have a poll here, Amasa, please? So this poll is going to work for 15 seconds now. Please answer. The question is, do you think the Mentor Links initiative is relevant to your academic journey and would complete it? Amasa, can you please share the results of the poll? It's very great that the answer of this poll is among 90%, 97% of the students are saying that yes, it is, this initiative is going to be very much helpful for them. So I am very much thankful to all the students and feeling very happy that they are going to respond to this initiative. Now moving further, I would like to introduce, we are going to start with the introduction of our academic mentors. We are going to start with the Rasika. We'll hand over to the Rasika. Thank you.
Good evening. Thank you all for finding time and attending today's webinar. My name is Rasika Kale. I have bachelor's degree in engineering and I have master's in operations management from MIT School of Management. And I have a work experience in the field of customer servicing. And now I'm delighted to be a part of this academic team where my role is of technical. I'm here to guide you and assist you regarding your technical related queries. Okay. I'll be dealing in the subjects like operations management, project management, supply chain management, and so on. I'll make sure you'll have an enriching experience at MIT School of Distance Education. Thank you. Looking forward to hearing from you soon. Now I request my colleague Omkar to introduce himself.
Thank you, Rasika. Hello, everyone. I am Omkar Salvi. I have done my engineering in instrumentation and MBA in operation management. I work as a project engineer in automation field. I will be your student academic mentor for technical courses. I am here to help you with all your academic related queries for technical courses such as construction management, material management, business analytics, and so on. Now I request my colleague Ashna to introduce herself. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Omkar. Good evening, students. I hope you are safe and well. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ashna Komalkar. I have done my graduation in Bachelor's of Computer Science and I have done my post graduation in MBA Marketing, both from MIT College Pune. I am really great to be associated with MIT School of Distance Education. In MIT School of Distance Education, I'll be working as student academic mentor for non-technical courses. So basically here, what I am saying is non-technical courses. So basically here, me and Devika will be helping you to solve your all non-technical courses. For an example, if you are having query in marketing, HR, finance, will be solving all your non-technical courses. So I'm really looking forward to connect with you all, and I would like Devika to introduce herself. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ashna. That was wonderful. Hello, all. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all today. I am here to assist you in your academic journey. My name is Devika Godbole. A little about myself. I did my graduation in commerce and I'm an MBA gold medalist in marketing. I have work experience in the field of client servicing and executive management. The best part of working at MIT SD is that I get to interact with people from various walks of life, pursuing various careers. As a student, up until quite recently, I know the struggles of being a student, the hassles that we face, the hurdles that we face. So trust me when I say this, that I will try my best to give you some hacks, some tips that will make your academic journey a smooth sailing one. Now, speaking of a smooth sailing journey, Ashna, do you know about the new buddy program?
Devika, what exactly do you mean by buddy program? It is a feature of LinkedIn.
No, it is the feature of our academic team. We
Okay.
academic team believe that the academic team is a mentor or a buddy to the student. We are here to assist you, guide you, and help you throughout your academic journey. We're planning some really interesting initiatives under the buddy program. So as you can see on in the slide, we're planning to have a webinar delivered by global industry experts to give latest industry insights to our students. We'll be having career counseling sessions and resume building workshops. We will be having doubt solving sessions related to academic queries live in a webinar. We will be
Devika,
having we will be having weekend certification workshops and other small courses very soon. Yes,
okay.
Ashna.
Devika, can you just explain me what is the doubt solving session specifically?
Sure. Let me share you a slide.
Okay.
Can we have the next slide, please? So here are a few examples of what academic doubts comprise of.
Oh, okay. Now I get it. So these are the academic queries which we'll be getting by solving or learning the courses, and as a buddy, we will solve the queries from the students, right?
Yes, that's absolutely correct.
Okay. Okay.
Now, I request Amar sir to put up a poll whereby we will understand what kind of initiatives the students are looking forward to. Amar sir, can we have the poll? Can we have the result of the poll? Wow, I think judging this poll, it is best that we have all of the above. So don't worry, we will be having all of these sessions as and many more to come. Now, without further ado, I would like to hand over the session back to Rohit sir and give a vote of thanks to all our attendees.
Yes. Great. So, thank you, the academic team, for introducing yourself and all our initiatives. I really thank all of you for attending this session and taking out time from your schedule, typically a Friday evening, and still making a point to be here and try and listen to us what all we are going to offer. And I'm sure all these plans which were discussed here would definitely add a lot of value to your career path. Here, we would be also going to enhance all your skills by various initiatives as we discussed in the buddy program. Here, a very important thing which I would like to iterate is MIT School of Distance Education is the first institute in India to collaborate with LinkedIn Learning as well as to have this mentorings program. So I request all of you to take a maximum out of this initiative and develop your career. And also, this will definitely help you to put yourself on a very fast track, especially after this challenging times. So now moving ahead, I would like to go for the question and answer session, wherein I would want all of you to feel free in asking whatever doubts you might have, no matter however silly that doubt, that question would be. Please throw all those questions at us, and we would definitely do our best to answer all of them. So, can we have the last slide? So before we take up questions, this is a small sneak peek where we'll be having our next upcoming sessions, where we have mentoring session as already discussed by Bhagyashree ma'am. We'll be having this mentoring session tomorrow, and followed with that, we'll be having a lot of other sessions which would be very relevant to you. Yes. So can we have questions here, please? So I have a question here which says, what is the purpose of buddy program? So now this question we have already tried to answer, but just to reiterate, buddy program is going to take care of you and would help you to get ahead or propel further in your career. Now, this buddy program would have various initiatives that discussed earlier, which would include not only weekly or say fortnightly doubt solving sessions, but also something which would definitely add a value to your resume and also to your experiences. So buddy program will definitely not only take care of conventional things, but a lot of other non-conventional things which market demand right now. So yes, in buddy program we are going to do everything as we shared all those pointers, and we are also going to take care of some specific requests if you have. So maybe some industry ready courses, some certifications over the weekend, all would be part of buddy program. Surbi has a question that regarding LinkedIn Learning, can any specific courses be recommended? Definitely. So LinkedIn Learning, I'm sure you all have, like the people who have taken this LinkedIn Learning subscription would have already started following or going through the LinkedIn Learning recommended courses, which is one part. And from our academic team, we are going to create learning paths through our LinkedIn Learning admin accounts, where those learning paths would be assigned to you, assigned to specific programs, specific courses, and you can take up that learning path, which will definitely add value to you. And here I would like to again stress on the fact that LinkedIn Learning not only offers courses in your domain, but also other cross-functional domains. So feel free to explore LinkedIn Learning account if you have already subscribed to. If not, you can get in touch with your RMs for availing this LinkedIn Learning subscription. Let's move to the next question. Yeah, so Anuja has a question. What exactly will be included in the weekend certificate workshops? So Anuja, we are going to definitely share with you our plan that what all certificate workshops we are going to include, and how are we going to conduct them, what would be the schedule. We'll definitely inform you that, and you will be also, you can feel free to recommend something from your side so that we can definitely take that into consideration. Yeah, so Prosanjit, we have a question from you, how to activate LinkedIn Learning program. So here, for all the existing students of MIT School of Distance Education, we are providing LinkedIn Learning subscription at a very subsidized rate. And you can get in touch with your relationship manager to get that subscription. And it is the information is also available on mitsd.com. Okay, Mukund has a question. The doubt clearing sessions would be covering topic related or uh, course related. So Mukund, definitely this doubt clearing sessions would be both generic as well as subject specific. So we have doubt clearing sessions where we'll be addressing some specific concepts in project management, or we would be also having generic doubt clearing sessions where we'll be discussing about some generic courses like marketing management, HR, etc. So we can have both these options. Again, feel free to maybe just give your options, give your doubts, and we will be definitely collating that and we'll be keeping a session on that. Okay, Saili has asked, are there any fees for mentor links? Whoever is teaching us. Okay, so here please understand, these mentor links initiative is being offered to all the students without any fees. It's going to be part of your package, wherein you can have all those modes where you can ask questions and you can get the answers to your questions. And uh, guys, I again urge you to attend tomorrow's webinar, because tomorrow you'll come to know what all who all people would be there in this panel. And I'm sure by looking at those profiles, you'll be thrilled and you'll definitely get a very different perspective to any of the typical questions you might have. Okay, so Chinmay has asked me how to ask doubts. So Chinmay, we have already uploaded this PPT on this webinar link. So you can just download that. In that PPT, you will be having the email addresses. So you can feel free in going ahead and maybe emailing those doubts. Also, very soon we are coming up with a scheme where we'll be making some changes in our IVR, where you can have a same number and you can maybe make a choice where you can go to administrative queries or academic queries. So you can also, by this mode, you can also get directly connected with the student mentors. But definitely before that, I have also mentioned the email addresses in the PPT. Okay, so Deepak Kumar has asked that what is the difference between the team lead here and sorry, the program lead and the student mentors. So here, as we have already shared with you the structure, your first point of contact would be your student mentors. So whatever doubts you might have, you can directly address them to the student mentors, and then they would try to solve that doubt at their end, and if required it would be escalated further to the subject matter experts or the program leads. Okay, the next question here is, um, do you will you be able to give what all courses will be available on LinkedIn Learning account? So here, definitely, as I've already shared earlier, the LinkedIn Learning account, once activated at your end, would definitely recommend the courses to you depending upon the profile you have. But definitely from our side, we are going to give you some insights that what courses you can pursue. So yes, we are going to help you with that LinkedIn Learning course mapping and what all courses you can pursue, which would be beneficial to you. Okay, Vivek has asked what will be the timing for this buddy program? Can we ask questions 24 by 7? So yes, Vivek, you can definitely go ahead and ask questions anytime the question comes up. Now the process would be those questions once received from all the students would be moderated at our end, and those questions would be sent to those global profiles, those global professionals, and then we may expect the answers to those questions maybe in 2 or 3 weeks time. Because let me tell you, tomorrow also you'll be getting all the details, but let me tell you, all the panelists, all the professionals in mentor links are not only positioned in India, but they are placed in US, they are placed in Europe, they are placed in all other parts of the world. So, and they are all working professionals working at a very high uh, position. So definitely we'll be having you can have their insights, and we'll be getting back to you with the solution in maybe a couple of weeks. Okay, so I have a question that how will you differentiate between academic and administrative? So this is a very interesting question. Now here I would like to, like, we have already shared a screen with you, a slide with you, where we tried to showcase what would be the academic doubts you might have. Similarly, there is already a list on the website for FAQs in case of administrative. So here you have to simply try and remember that all academic doubts would be your course content related doubts or the queries you might have when you start studying, and your administrative doubts would be before you start your studies or maybe during the examinations. So all administrative things would be covered by or would be taken care by your relationship manager, and all the academic related queries would be taken care by this new academic team which you have met today. Yeah, So we have one more question here. Can MIT help in making a strong resume and analysis of the resume we have with us? So yes, definitely. Um, with help of our placement team, we are going to host several resume building workshops where we are going to help you create a good profile. Also, we are going to help you via different webinars where you can use LinkedIn as a tool for getting placed at a uh, more better position, or at a maybe a dream job you might have. So we'll be definitely helping you out with this, and this is all what we'll be offering under the career guidance sub section of Buddy program. Okay, so I have a question from Sushil that my office timings are till 5 p.m. Monday to Saturday. If the workshop timing are in between my working hours, will I be able to access to it after hours in some way? So yes, Sushil, what we'll be doing is we'll be having these sessions mostly kept in the weekends, on the weekends specifically. And even if you miss any of the session, definitely we would be making some or the other arrangement where you can attend it maybe from your workplace, or maybe you can have some part of it recorded. So we definitely will help you in that. So students, please feel free to ask questions. So I have one more question: how to interact with different people on the mentorlinks platform? Would we be getting direct access to their profiles? So this is a very important crucial question. So here, just to answer this, you will not be getting a direct access to the people uh, with whom you'll be asking questions. The simple reason is these people, as I've already discussed, are on a very high position. Definitely we can have an interaction with them at times later, where we can have maybe sessions delivered by them. But for queries, you have to send queries to the email address mentorlinks@mitsd.com. We'll be moderating that and we'll be ensuring that you get your answer. Okay, so Sunny has asked, will a permanent buddy would be assigned to the student for their quick queries? So, Sunny, I would like to tell you that no, we'll not be assigning a specific buddy to you, because here we are of a belief that whoever will be available, you need to get in touch with that person instantly. So, as we all will be working on it, you may be assigned anybody who is available at that time, but be rest assured that all your queries would be resolved either by that buddy, or if maybe if required there would be other people, other team members roped in, but we will ensure, Sunny, that your problem, your query is resolved, is handled. Okay, so I'm getting certain administrative questions as well, so we would try to answer them separately. Okay, so I've got one more new question, and that question is, can we ask any subject specific questions, or even a simple concept related questions? Okay, so basically what we could understand from this question was, can you ask simple questions as well? Yes, you can go ahead and ask any simple question you might have. It need not be every time a complex question. You can definitely come back to us. But this specific initiative would ensure that go you go and read the books, and you try to find out answers. And then if you are not able to find the answer, or it is too cumbersome for you, you can maybe come back to us, and we'll be definitely working for you and taking out or giving you a resolution of your query. And here guys, we'll be posting in on our website also, we'll be having our academic calendar posted very soon, where you'll be getting in all the latest updates of happenings maybe in the next 2 or 3 weeks. Okay, so we have a question here. Uh, yeah, can you please differentiate between technical and non-technical mentors? Yes, correct. So here, a very good question. Now, here, what the ideology behind having technical and non-technical mentors was that there are some programs which are technical. So to name a few, we have project management, operations management, materials management, logistics and supply chain management, maybe business analytics. So all these programs, for all these programs, we are having student mentors who have pursued their MBA in operations management. So they will be in a better position, say, to address your queries in, say, all these fields. But we'll be also having, or you can also ask these questions to other non-technical student mentors, and they would also be very happy to help you if they can. If not, they will definitely pass on this question to the technical mentors, and they be rest assured your question would be answered. So here basically the differentiation is for the technical courses or the technical programs, and the non-technical programs would have all other programs like financial management, marketing management, HR. All those would be under non-technical programs. So Parikshit is asking, will all these programs accessible through single application? So Parikshit, yes, as you are already having this like content embedded in the LMS, you'll be also having these email addresses which we have displayed. So yes, you can definitely get uh, all the access to all these things in a maybe by a quick email. And you can definitely, we are coming very soon, we are going to also have improvisation in our LMS, where we can maybe put everything in the one platform. Okay, so I have one more question. What would there be any timing for pursuing programs on LinkedIn Learning platform? No, here the beauty of this online learning or these programs is nothing but we can have this specific initiative, or maybe these and all whatever you can learn. Okay, you can do it 24/7, and it can be self-paced. So here you can definitely decide at what time you want to go for a program, how much time do you have, and you can maybe go for those programs. So it is going to be completely self-paced, and you can maybe have this subscription. We have this subscription, we'll be having or giving this subscription till 9th August 2021, wherein till that time you can pursue n number of courses from LinkedIn Learning platform. Okay, there is one more question. Would there be updates about all these activities on the website? Yes, definitely. Yes. So we are in the process where we'll be having a lot of updates coming up on the website. So as you have already observed, some of you already observed on our website, we have already put in the tabs for mentor links, LinkedIn Learning. Similarly, we'll be also having this academic calendar put up very soon, and there you'll get a notification about everything, every program, every initiative we are coming up. And definitely, as you are aware, all the live webinars we are going to host to this tool only, go to webinar tool only, where you already are aware of this process, and you'll be getting an invite whenever we schedule a webinar. We'll be also getting reminders from us so that you do not miss any of the session. Okay, so I've got some questions regarding career avenues. So what career avenue can I get after I complete my PGDM in project management? So yes, definitely. So all this can be a typical question, maybe to your buddy, and we will definitely connect you with the placement team for this, and would that placement team would definitely would answer your queries and would be offering you all the information required for pursuing your career. So any other questions? Now, what all questions are remaining? Those questions are uh, mostly of administrative nature. And again, guys, please feel free to connect with us. As I've already discussed, we have already put the email addresses on this PPT. You can get in touch with us and we'll be very happy to help you out. Okay, so I think we would like to stop here. We are having a lot of questions still coming up, but we'll definitely try and answer all those administrative questions which are remaining via email. So please feel free to connect with us anytime and send any of your queries you have. I again sincerely thank all of you for hearing us and giving this a thought. And I'm sure you all will enjoy this new academic journey, new enriched academic journey, I would say. And I'm sure we would be going ahead and we all will be achieving success in the coming times. So, okay, I'm having a couple of more questions. I'll just take up that. So, Veena has a question uh, that will you be conducting any webinar regarding exam related things? Yes, definitely. So, if you are like, if you reply or if you are having this doubt and if you want this, definitely we can have some exam related sessions just before your exam, maybe kind of a quick revision session, maybe any concept which is to be explained again. Definitely, Veena, we can definitely go ahead and do that thing, provided you send us a request and we have multiple requests so that we can arrange a webinar based on it. Then Renuka has a question. What is the difference between LinkedIn and Mentoring? So here, these are the two completely different platforms where LinkedIn Learning is a part of LinkedIn community, where you can pursue professional courses is there, short courses there by going online. Whereas Mentor Links is a program where an initiative where you can connect with or you can get insights from global leaders by posting a question. That is the first thing what Bhagyeshi madam explained regarding the alert. So you can ask questions which would be answered, and maybe we can definitely plan some sessions from them as well in the later phases. So I would like to stop here, and again I would like to thank you all for attending this. I'm really looking forward to a lot of questions from you guys, and we are all thrilled. We are all very happy to be part of this academic team, and I'm sure we will have a very enriching experience, all of us. So thank you again. Thank you, my entire academic team, my IT support team. I would definitely like to thank our director, Dr. Surud, who always constantly supports us in all these initiatives. And and he never basically always motivates us to do more, to have many things added up. And that's the reason we are all here and we are talking to you. So a big thank you to our director, sir. And definitely, I would like to mention the name of our executive director. With his vision, we are definitely going to grow, and we are also going to help you grow Okay, thank you again. I would like to end this session.